snake some pictures of the... What? It's crazy. I think it looks good. Let me get a...
Hit the unlock button on your car.
Oh, I got this.
The headlights. Well, it'd be more...
More what? It's not really better. I think it looks good.
Yeah, it's not bad. For $130.
Yeah, $130.
Blue is better than yellow.
Do you remember exactly what you just did 10 minutes ago?
Rip shit off, got mad, pushed it back in.
Okay, well, because we're gonna have to send it, and
Jesus, Keith. Fucking sitting right here.
were they?
Oh, they upped my they upped my
Your vocabulary to learn how to speak. Look at this, dude. Hold on.
I didn't do shit. That's probably from you. Your line lock burnout permanently damaged the underbody of this car.
No, it didn't.
For the record.
No, it didn't.
Months ago.
So what is it? Just this clip and another clip on the other side? Ew, dude.
Process.
Hold on. Both sides. One clip and another clip.
Can I get a tally on you real quick? Hey! Hey!
Oh, cock.
I'll walk out right now.
Yo, we got some, Oh! Billy come in clutch. Save my eyeball.
Wait till you see how many rocks fall out of here.
Dan, do you want
And
some
this?
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna get smacked with an avalanche?
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty sweet. I have a feeling this is gonna come right at my fucking face. Ow. Watch out. Get away.
Let me, hey, stop. Don't pull it yet.
Alright, tell me. Ow.
ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice.
Oh.
That's it. Good.
Bye, Felicia.
Yep. You know what's funny? What I realized is that when I went to go replace my service panel, I realized that these are the screws that they gave me instead.
These
The ones
idiots.
that- yeah.
Okay.
This is what they gave me. Oh. Yeah, look at all the rocks that are about to come out
Yo,
of here, dude.
King.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh!
Shit. That's like fucking pebbles, dude.
Wait.
Holy oh, what is that? That was a big one. Oh!
What?
Yeah.
Wait.
Hold on, wait.
It's coming out on its own now. It's okay. This is whoa. All right, hold on.
Oh my god.
It was like a baby bird. I didn't even film an intro to this.
Sorry, guys.
So it's gonna be like, what's going on, everybody? This is your intro. Midway.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Are we just gonna let this?
Pull it down a little bit.
Oh! I got hit.
Look at all this. Yeah.
Yo, I just got smacked in the kisser, dude.
So you start at one end, and it's just whole way around.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to do a clickbait where it says my car was in an accident.
There you go. All right, street speed.
I've been wanting to get this painted, but now you can clearly see. You can see the difference. This is really crazy between the old and the new. It's like a light, faded bullshit gray. That's a satin black. It's gonna look good. I gotta clean in there. Gotta clean it.
Let me see like a nasty burn. Okay. Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. Okay. And okay. All right. Yeah. $3.
So the last little step is just, what, 6 screws?
Yeah.
6 fully sent screws. I guess the way the screws are gonna go is they're gonna match up with these dimples.
Yep.
Screw, 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 and then they'll match up with the holes. Wow, there's just, when you see the rubber in every, whoa! Whoa! There's no way. Is that seriously rubber? It is! Yo, that's cake. No way.
Looks like pudding, dude.
It is. Alright.
Dimple, meet screw. Screw, meet dimple.
Beautiful. Alright guys, so that'll do it for this video. Hopefully it was something worth watching. It's a little lighter out right now. It's a couple days later. I actually forgot to film an outro, so here it is. This is what the original looked like. It's faded, like charcoal looking. It's not good. It didn't match my dark luxe tints. I was contemplating switching, but then I was like, you know what? I saw this part come up online and it was like $130 on Amazon. I was like, you know what? We're gonna do it. Just so you can get a better view. This clip here and this clip here are the two clips we popped out, and then these were screws. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's all it really was. And then you just pry this off, start on one end and you come off. As you saw in the video, it peels right off. Put the other one back on. Just make sure you push it with a firm hand and there should be no problems. I'm going to show you real quick what the other one looks like. Excuse the dirty tips, but this thing's held up really, really well. It looks awesome. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. As always, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment. I'm gonna try to put the link for the Amazon sale for that particular part because it was only $130 shipped. They are out of stock right now, but I believe they're going to be back in stock soon. So it's definitely worth looking into. But yeah, out with the old, in with the new. I'm totally happy with this purchase. It was totally worth it. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a good day.